We have 10 to 12,000 people that come in at UAMS campus, campus-wide. And within that, we are the front line that these people see first. It's not our screening stations, but our hospitality stations like Josalin works. Oh, it's a joy. She's great attitude. She treats everybody with the same respect. She's really an asset to UAMS. She's all about the mission and the goals. And she's just, a joy to have on our team. She makes the team complete.
I really feel like this is my calling. I used to wonder what everybody's supposed to have a talent. I never knew what mine was until I became the greeter here at UAMS. Because helping people, just talking to people, that's what I do. Knowing that I have helped somebody and made somebody more comfortable and satisfied with what I was able to do to calm them down or get them where they need to go. Just knowing that I've helped somebody feel better about the loved ones, what they might be going through. I just try to comfort people the best I can.
We have not only, English-speaking patients, but Spanish-speaking patients as well. And so we had a lot of signs out there, but nothing in Spanish. So Josalin took it upon herself to make sure to ask the appropriate people to get the appropriate response, to be able to get signs.
When the hospital opened back up for visitation, a lot of families came in and they didn't understand the writing because they was Spanish or other type of language. And I had to talk to the bosses about getting the signage up, and it needed to be in another language. So we did. We got the signs up, so it was easy for other families to be able to read as well.
Josalin made that happen. She made the signs, they got them put up, and she helped everyone make sure they got in safely and correctly. I guess my favorable moments of her are when people pull up in the front of UAMS and you can just see the glow on their face when they open that door. She's standing there. They've been coming here for years. She's been here for years, and they get that such welcoming invite from her. Because it's hard coming to the hospital as it is. And so when they see her, it just makes their whole visit just turn around. They get out of the car, they greet her, they hug her. She helps them in the wheelchair. She pushes them possibly to their appointments sometimes. It just depends on what the needs are.
I do hear a lot of people appreciate me, and they tell me what would they have done without me, and that make me feel good. But that's why I get up. I like to come to work and do my job. This is what I'm here for.